All right, YouTube, we are at Tony's, Alex and myself. Tony's inside, real quick, taking care of some stuff. So we are gonna do the last fertilizer of the season. What we're putting down is Proscape from Lebanon Turf. You guys are familiar with that. Show you guys what we're working with here. It is a 2005. I'm gonna see if I can find something else that has a little bit more potash in it based on his soil test results. But I wanna show you guys that we're getting the last fertilizer of the season done. Now, Alex is, you guys haven't seen him on video for a while, so he decided to step in and help out with doing this. So let's get going. We can open the bag up, we'll put it down. As far as rate goes, we're gonna put this down at full rate. We are got the spreader set to 15 on the earthway. That is what that calls for. And I'm not sure we'll use the whole bag. Probably not, because I think Tony's probably working with what, 4,000 square feet, something like that. So we've got plenty of fertilizer, probably enough for 2 apps. Look at that. We can catch some of that smooth pour action. That's good form, Alex. That's real good form.
There you go.
Yep, looking good. We'll get going with our passes and let's start putting this down. This is the last app of the year. And if you guys are not familiar with Proscape, it's a really good fertilizer from Lebanon Turf. You guys have seen tons of videos I've done on it in the past. I like this one because it has a faster release and a slow release component. So it's going to feed the lawn, into the fall and over winter. So this should be good enough to take care of him for the rest of this year, rest of 2020. All right, Alex, let's see it, man. Let me show you guys how the lawn overall is looking. Hopefully the color's coming through. The lighting is not the best right now, but you guys can see how overall in here we're a little bit thin here on the right side, but overall the color on this left side is doing pretty good. I mean, this is a pretty challenging spot because if you look at what we're dealing with, you've got a patio here on the left side and then trees on the right. So really what you've got is like a corridor here where it's going to be, it's going to be challenging to get enough sun in here to consistently grow grass, but we shall see. We'll see, guys. And then we took you guys around to the area, as you guys kind of predicted, the area here between under this tree and this huge shaded tree, like that is not doing so well. You can see it's a pretty big tree, pretty big canopy to have to take care of, and pretty much all that space under there we're still dirt, even though Alex has put down, sorry, not Alex, Tony's put down some topsoil here and some other stuff, but to try and get it to grow, some topsoil and compost, but no cigar. I mean, there's a little bit of grass coming through, but I think this area is always going to be thin. So either the tree's going to have to go, or as you guys were suggesting earlier in the season, we're going to have to do some kind of ground cover. So we shall see, guys. Let me take you guys around front for one last look at the front lawn, and then we'll close this out. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the front lawn. Overall, given the fact that Tony's only been on this property like 2.5 months, I'm really happy with how the lawn is coming along. I mean, we didn't have that much time to really get a lot done. I mean, we started working on it in early August, but you know, all things considered, considering where it was before, I think we've done pretty well. For next year, we'll have to see which way we decide to go. I'm trying to lean him towards doing a full top dress and you know, do the full treatment kind of like we did with Alex's lawn. But let me know what you guys think. The thing with Tony is I don't think he's yet committed to getting the real mower and going like full tilt like how Alex did. But I mean, perhaps you guys want to see what a lawn that's been top dressed but is still being cut regularly with a rotary, how good that can look. So if you guys are interested in that, leave me a comment below, let me know, and we'll definitely take it under consideration. I can convince Tony, and should be good. Should make some great content in 2021. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I'm glad I was able to share an update with you guys. The last update probably for this lawn for the year, just to show you guys how far it's developed and showing you guys us putting down that last fertilizer app. Please like, share. If you're not yet a subscriber, consider subscribing. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.